Ever heard of Warren Buffett, the investment wizard? He famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." That's where dividends come into play. They're like a thank you note from companies, paying you just for owning their stocks. But here's the twist. What if you could get this thank you note every month? Sounds intriguing, right? Welcome to the world of smart investing, where every dollar counts and dividends play a starring role. How do monthly dividends work, and why should they matter to you? Stay tuned as we dive into the captivating world of U.S. stocks that pay monthly dividends and uncover how they could be your ticket to financial success. What are monthly dividend stocks? Imagine getting a paycheck, not just every year or every quarter, but every single month. That's exactly what monthly dividend stocks are all about. Think of it like this. You invest in a company by buying its stock. In return, some companies say thank you by giving you a piece of their profits. These payments are called dividends. Now, while most stocks pay dividends quarterly or yearly, monthly dividend stocks are special because they pay you every month. It's like having a reliable stream of income that comes in regularly, just like your Netflix subscription. But in reverse, you're the one getting paid. But why does this matter? Well, monthly dividends can be a game changer for your budget. They provide consistent cash flow, which is perfect for covering regular expenses or reinvesting to grow your investment. Imagine having an extra sum of money hitting your account each month. How would that change your financial planning? Plus, it's not just about the frequency, it's also about stability and predictability. So, are you ready to explore how these stocks can add a steady rhythm to your financial portfolio? Let's find out. Advantages of investing in monthly dividend stocks. Have you ever thought about making your money work smarter, not harder? That's where investing in monthly dividend stocks shines. Let's break down the benefits. Consistent income. Imagine your investment is a fruit tree in your backyard. Each month, it drops fruits, dividends, into your bank account. This consistent fruit drop means you can count on a regular income stream. It's like having a mini payday every month. Ease of budgeting. With money coming in every month, planning your finances becomes a breeze. Think about it. Knowing you have a certain amount coming in regularly can take the stress out of budgeting. Need to pay bills, save for a vacation, or just want some extra spending money? Monthly dividends can help cover those costs. Growth through reinvestment. Here's the exciting part. You can use these dividends to buy more stocks, which means even more dividends in the future. It's like planting the seeds from your fruit back into the garden, growing an even bigger fruit tree over time. So, how does the idea of a dependable income, easier budgeting, and growing your investment sound to you? Could monthly dividend stocks be the missing piece in your financial puzzle? Let's explore further and see how they can fit into your investment strategy. Here are the criteria for selecting good dividend stocks. Dividend yield. Ever wonder how much bang you're really getting for your buck when you invest in stocks? Meet dividend yield, a key player in this game. It's like a scoreboard that shows how much cash you're earning from your investment. Here's how it works. Suppose you invest $100 in a stock. If that stock pays you $3 in dividends over a year, your dividend yield is 3%. Why? Because $3 is 3% of your $100 investment. It's that simple. So think about it. How much do you want your investments to pay you back? Understanding dividend yield can help you pick the stocks that meet your financial goals. Company stability. Think of investing in a company like building a house. You want a strong foundation, right? That's exactly what company stability is in the stock market. It means choosing companies that have been around the block with a solid track record of making money consistently. Take Coca-Cola, for example. They've been quenching thirsts and turning profits for over a century. That's stability. So, when picking stocks, ask yourself, is this company built to last like Coca-Cola? Has it been steady even in tough times? A stable company can mean a safer investment for your hard-earned money. Growth potential. Ever dreamed of finding a hidden treasure that grows in value over time? That's what growth potential in stocks is all about. It's like betting on a promising young athlete who could become a star. For instance, think about Amazon. Years ago, it was just an online bookstore. Now, it's a global retail giant. That's massive growth. So when looking at stocks, ask, does this company have the room to grow like Amazon did? Are they innovating, expanding, or entering new markets? Picking stocks with growth potential could turn your investment into tomorrow's jackpot. Ready to spot these rising stars? Let's explore. Here are US 6-monthly dividend stocks. Stag Industrial. Picture this. You click buy online, and within days, your package arrives. Ever wonder where it waits before it gets to you? Enter Stag Industrial, a big player in the world of warehouses and distribution centers. They're not just any real estate company, they're the ones behind the scenes of your online shopping spree. Stag Industrial owns over 450 properties across the US, totaling about 91 million square feet. That's like fitting over 1,500 football fields. These properties are crucial for storing all sorts of products from online retailers before they're shipped to customers like you. But why is Stag so important? With the rise of e-commerce, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for warehouse space skyrocketed. Online sales in the US alone jumped to over $790 billion in 2020, a 32% increase from the previous year. This boom in online shopping means companies like Stag, which provide the space for all these goods, are in high demand. So, think about it. With online shopping becoming a way of life, doesn't investing in the heart of this trend with Stag Industrial sound like a smart move? How do you see Stag fitting into your investment strategy? Realty Income. Let's talk about Realty Income, a star player in the real estate investment world. It's like that reliable friend who always shows up, rain or shine. Realty Income has a reputation for consistently paying dividends to its investors. And not just any dividends, we're talking monthly dividends. What makes Realty Income stand out? First off, they've been paying these dividends every month for over 50 years. That's right, every single month since 1969. And here's the kicker. They've increased their dividend 109 times since their public listing in 1994. It's no wonder they're called the Monthly Dividend Company. Now, let's talk numbers. As of now, Realty Income has paid over $7 billion in dividends to its shareholders. That's a lot of cash. And their portfolio? It's impressive, with over 6,500 commercial properties under their belt, leased to businesses like Walgreens, 7-Eleven, and FedEx. But here's the real question. Why does this matter to you? Well, with a track record like that, Realty Income isn't just another investment. It's a symbol of stability and reliability in the unpredictable world of stocks. Do you see the value in adding a dividend powerhouse like Realty Income to your portfolio? Oxford Square Capital Corporation. Imagine a company that helps the underdogs of the business world grow and succeed. That's Oxford Square Capital Corporation for you. They're not your typical investment firm. Oxford Square specializes in lending a helping hand to medium-sized businesses, those not too big but not too small. The Goldilocks of the business world, you could say. What does Oxford Square Capital Corporation do exactly? They provide financing to these medium-sized companies, which are often overlooked by larger banks and investment firms. Think of it as a nurturing greenhouse for businesses that are just ripe for growth. These companies might be in various industries, from technology to healthcare, each with their own unique potential. Let's talk about impact. Oxford Square manages assets worth over $1 billion. That's a billion-dollar vote of confidence in the potential of these medium-sized businesses. And for investors, this presents an opportunity. Investing in Oxford Square means you're backing a diverse portfolio of companies, each with their own story of growth and success. So, how does investing in a champion of medium-sized businesses sound to you? Are you ready to explore the potential of Oxford Square Capital Corporation and how it can add value to your investment journey? Orchid Island Capital. Picture a company that deals with something as fundamental as the roof over your head. That's Orchid Island Capital for you. Their main game? Mortgage-backed securities. Now, this might sound complex, but it's actually pretty straightforward. Think of it like this. When people take out mortgages to buy homes, These mortgages are often bundled together and sold as a type of investment. That's what Orchid Island Capital invests in. Why does this matter? These mortgage-backed securities are like a big pool of home loans. When homeowners pay their monthly mortgage, the money goes into this pool, and investors in these securities, like Orchid Island, get a share of these payments. It's a way of earning income from the real estate market without actually buying property. Orchid Island's portfolio is impressive. They manage billions of dollars in these securities, making them a significant player in the real estate investment field. And here's a number for you. Their assets totaled around $4.7 billion as of the last year. That's a lot of mortgages. So why consider Orchid Island Capital? Investing in them means you're tapping into the vast and ever-evolving real estate market. Think about it. How does earning from a slice of America's housing market sound to you? Shamar. Residential REIT. Imagine a company that's a bit like a guardian in the world of real estate investments. This is where Armor Residential REIT comes into play. Their specialty? Investing in home loans backed by the US government. It's like putting your money into a very secure type of real estate investment. So, what does this mean? When people buy homes with mortgages, sometimes those loans are guaranteed by government agencies. This guarantee makes them safer investments because even if a homeowner can't pay, the government steps in. Armor Residential REIT focuses on buying these safer, government-backed mortgages. Why is this interesting for you as an investor? Well, think of it as putting your eggs in a very sturdy basket. The government backing adds a layer of security. Plus, Armor is no small player. They manage assets worth billions of dollars. In fact, they reported around $15 billion in assets under management, which shows the scale of their operations. Now, the big question: how does investing in a company like Armor Residential REIT fit into your strategy? Are you looking for a more secure way to tap into the real estate market? San Juan Basin Royalty Trust. Imagine a treasure chest, but instead of gold and jewels, it's filled with valuable energy resources. This is what San Juan Basin Royalty Trust is all about. They're in the business of fossil fuels, specifically natural gas and oil. But here's the catch. They don't drill or extract these resources themselves. Instead, they own a portion of the mineral rights in the San Juan Basin of New Mexico, an area rich in natural gas and oil. What does San Juan Basin Royalty Trust do then? They collect royalties, which are like rent payments, from companies that extract oil and gas from their land. It's a bit like owning a building and collecting rent, but instead, it's for natural gas and oil production. Now, let's talk numbers. This trust is no small fry. The San Juan Basin area covers thousands of acres and has produced millions of cubic feet of natural gas. In terms of dollars, San Juan Basin Royalty Trust has distributed millions in royalties to its shareholders over the years. So, why consider investing in this trust? If you're interested in the energy sector, especially fossil fuels, San Juan Basin Royalty Trust offers a unique way to earn from natural resources without the risks and costs of drilling or extraction. Intrigued by the idea of tapping into America's energy wealth? Investment calculations. Let's put on our math hats for a moment and figure out how much you'd need to invest to earn a monthly income from dividends. Say, $2,000 a month. It sounds like a puzzle, but it's quite simple when you break it down. First, let's talk about dividend yield. Remember, it's the percentage of your investment that you get back as dividends. Suppose you find a stock with a 5% dividend yield. This means for every $100 you invest, you get $5 back each year. To earn $2,000 a month or $24,000 a year, you need to work out how much to invest to hit this target. Here's the easy formula. Required investment, annual income, goal, dividend yield. In our case, to earn $24,000 a year from a stock with a 5% yield, you'd calculate required investment, $24,000, 0.05, $480,000. So, you'd need to invest $480,000 in this stock to earn $2,000 a month. Now, the big question, Do you have this amount to invest, or should you start smaller? Remember, investing is a journey. Every bit you invest brings you closer to your income goals. And there you have it, a journey through the exciting world of U.S. stocks that pay monthly dividends. From steady income streams to the thrill of watching your investments grow, these options offer a world of opportunities for financial success. Remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy or the experts. It's for everyone willing to take that first step. Whether you're starting small or going big, each investment can bring you closer to achieving your financial dreams. So, why not dive in and see where these dividend stocks can take you? And if you're hungry for more insights or want to join a community of fellow investors, don't forget to follow the link below for more information. Before you go, hit that like button if you found this video helpful, share it with friends who might be interested, and subscribe for more content like this. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep investing smart and aiming high.